Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'll be giving you 5 free tools that you should be using as a YouTuber or a blogger. So if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you've done that before, hit the notification bell to get more of this amazing content. Let's get into the video. First tool we'll be going over is called Answer the Public. Now, Answer the Public is a very important tool to get your content down as easily as possible. Now, what Answer the Public actually does is it gets instant raw search insights direct from the minds of the customer. What it's just saying is that both the search intent and search inquiries of billions of people per day are being brought out for you in a very short time. So you don't have to manually go into Google Search Console and look for things that you think might work, but Answer the Public does that for you and makes it a lot more easier. So you can just search for a word like social media marketing. Alright, so everything on social media marketing brings out the which, the why, the when, the what, who, will, how, where, and can. Now, as we can see, which social media marketing is best, which social media marketing concept engages visitors, is social media marketing important, is social media marketing effective, is social media marketing free. So a lot of these questions that you would have to search one by one to see if actually good enough. So not just that, now you can go into the prepositions as for, can, and so this can help bulk up content for more than a month if you're doing daily content, and if you're not, it can get you content for a very long time. So you can either download this as a CSV file or just save it as an image. Just download it here as an image. It will be better to download it as a CSV file. So alright, now for the second one is called VidIQ. Now VidIQ is a free tool that is designed for YouTube, but you can also use the keywords that you get on this for your blog. That is if the ideas that you use for your YouTube are being transformed to your blog or vice versa. Get a lot of free things with VidIQ as a free member. Now let us just log into my VidIQ account and see what it's all about. Now, as you can see, they have the paid plan here and the free plan here. For the paid plan, it's just $39 for a month if you are billed annually. So let us just continue for free. Alright, now this is what you get with VidIQ. First, you get at least 3 of the keywords that you search for, and you get a good amount of information. First, you get the search volume, then you get the competition, and then you get the overall score. The overall score that falls into green is the best for you. The ones that fall into yellow is alright, and the one that falls into red means that it's too hard to rank for. So now you also get daily ideas that you can use for your YouTube channel. Now I've done that already for today, so it said to come back tomorrow for more ideas or upgrade to get more of this. So with the paid plan, you are going to get a lot more ideas daily that has potentials to skyrocket or is on high demand right now. So let us go back to the dashboard. Now they also show you your channel stats. Now this is the current channel stats of my own channel and marketing lots, and that's basically what it gives to you. But the paid version has lots more tools for you to use, but I think this is good enough for you if you're just starting out. Now let's just go into the next tool. So if you're enjoying this video, please do hit the like button, because it gives us a lot of encouragement to do more of this type of videos. So at number 3, we have Canva. Now Canva is one of the best free graphic designs software I could find out there. Now it is very profitable to learn how to use Canva. So I'm going to be linking a card up here to learn how to use Canva. So with Canva you can get thousands of templates that are free to use, images, and can also get the YouTube thumbnail template and website banner template, because with the website banners in your blog post you can't just pick up a random image from Pexel that is close to what you're trying to say but it's not exactly it. But with Canva you can create a custom design that will portray whatever you want to say. So with Canva you can share your designs with people for them to see. You can create lots more than just the YouTube thumbnail and the website banner. So you can just learn how to use Canva. You can create from custom sizes and it gives you a lot of freedom. So if you're enjoying this video, please do hit the like button, because it gives us a lot of encouragement to do more of this type of videos. It takes a lot of time to do this, but just show us encouragement by liking the video, and more amazing content like this will be brought out on a daily basis. Now the next one here is Mixkit. Now with Mixkit you can get free to use videos that will not be copyright claimed, and free to use music that you can use on your YouTube videos, and for the videos you can also use them for both your YouTube videos and your blog posts if it relates to whatever you're trying to portray. So you can get tons and tons of them for free. So what they offer here is awesome stock video clips, stock music, sound effects, and video templates. So I'm sure they have their paid and pro plans, but you can get a lot of them for free and in high quality. You don't expect to see something with low quality. You don't expect to get something that's not going to be nice on your YouTube video or your blog banner. So that's something to look out for. And lastly, we have Google Docs. Now Google Docs is one of the best tools I've ever seen out there that is an overall tool, just in sense of arranging everything that you need in one place. Now with Google Docs, the keywords that you've gotten from Answer the Public and from VidIQ, you can take them back to Google Docs and save them as a CSV file. And let me just show you an example of what I searched on Answer the Public and saved on Google Docs. Now these are the keywords I saved, and see everything. So a lot of content has been stockpiled down for me, but on Google Docs. So I don't just write my blog directly on Medium or on my blog website. I first write them on Google Docs. So if there's any mistake or there's anything that I'm missing, Google Docs will actually autocorrect, or you have to correct them manually. And it has a lot of extensions that you can use to make your work even easier. So Google Docs is a tool that everyone needs to be using if you're an online marketer. So if you've gotten value from this video, please do hit the like button and also hit the notification bell for more amazing content like this. So we'll be linking the 5 tools in the description section below. You can just go there directly on your browser, or just click on the link below to get them and get started with them. So see you in the next video.